My video is about removing the online scam that is associated with the website urgentscanner.com. So, urgentscanner.com is a deceptive website that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. This deceptive website tries to mislead people, to scare them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. The pop-up indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. However, this information is absolutely faulty. Such pop-ups may attack other computers, and they mention that the computer is infected with 5 viruses. So it cannot be true that several computers are infected with the same number of viruses. So these pop-ups are absolutely deceptive and you should not interact with them. They also try to make you click on the allow button to make you subscribed to their web push notifications. So if the allow button was clicked by mistake, you should fix your browser right away. And now let us do that. Access the menu of the browser, go to settings, select privacy and security in the left part of the menu. Let's wait until this menu gets loaded. So you need to select security and privacy in the settings window. Then you need to select the special area called permissions and then choose notifications. So here it is, privacy and security. Go to site settings, then go to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications, and if you find any junk sites here that are causing such pop-ups, make sure you get rid of them. So find that malicious site, urgentscanner.com, and remove it from the list. Also, don't hesitate to remove other junk sites from this list if you find them here. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official page, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the software, and begin researching and investigating your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.